Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are discussing about the JDBC client. We have learned update, delete, select and insert. Now in this tutorial we are going to understand how we can develop the custom mapper. Okay, so let's get into the problem statement by showing you the code directly. Okay, so until now what we did is we have the, let's say, like select record, where we have applied that select filter condition and return the list of records of bookmarks type. This is a pojo here. Id title url is there, which is actually in the same name of db column names, which is okay. But in my requirement there are different names, and there will be couple of fields that I might not use. So how can I do that? Let's do that scenario in this tutorial. So let me take another pojo. Let's say like bookmark custom, uh, bookmark custom. Let's say bookmark custom. That should be sufficient here. Okay. Now let's add two things: private string bookmark title. Now private string bookmark url. Okay, now let's add data. Now all args constructor, no args constructor. Cool, right? Now let's go to the service here. Before implementing something, let's do one thing called, I think this should be comes after the class. Yes. Okay. That is a public class. This is a normal class. Okay. Class custom. Let me keep it as bookmark custom mapper, which implements row mapper here. Row mapper of, let's say, that bookmark custom that we have created just now, right? So bookmark custom, since we are implementing this interface called row mapper, we need to implement this guy row map, right? Map row. So that it is showing here, implement a method here. Okay, here what you can do, you could see here, right? Bookmark custom return type, it is asking from here, right? So what you can do is simply use new bookmark custom of rs dot get uh, get string of title, and also rs dot get string of url, because we have those fields here, title and url, right? So those we have defined here. That bookmark custom we are returning over here. Now let's use that, or let's update the existing piece of code. So let's say like I have this bookmark here, right? So instead of, so what we are doing a select based on the title, and we are returning the bookmarks, right? No, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I wanted to return list of bookmark custom. Okay, so what I need to do, bookmark custom here. Now query it with new bookmark custom mapper. Okay, that's all I have. This is a custom mapper, and this will return me what? Bookmark custom, that is this. Okay, now there is a related problem in my get mapping because of this return type. So let me update that return type. That's all we are doing. Okay, so what we did is simply use the already existing select class. By using that select class and by passing the title here, instead of converting to the previous bookmarks where we have that id, title and url, I am only using, here we are returning 3, but I am only using 2 here. Okay, I am omitting the third one. Okay, that's fine, no issue. And I am converting to the custom mapper that we are returning the list here. Okay, cool. In case if my server is up and running, let me close that and rerun this so the changes will get reflected properly. And here this is nothing but my select class based on the title, right? So let me open my okay, get, and here what is that? Controller is bookmark based on the title. This is a get bookmark. What is the title? We have title value I can send is pen. So let me send pen. Okay, anything else? No, right? Cool. Now click on send here. Now you could see, even though now you could see we got this pojo properly, right? Even though the column fields are different, with the help of custom mapper we could able to adjust that, right? Cool. That's what I would like to show as part of today's tutorial.